Hey guys, welcome back.
Today's another video.
And we just got this awesome Predator toy from Fortnite. You don't know who Predator is?
It's not from Fortnite.
Well, not from Fortnite. It's from a movie.
Everything's gonna be backwards on it, so like the words right here and stuff will look weird. But it does say like Predator and stuff.
Okay, I'll get them out of the box.
Scissors. Do not use these if you're younger. Don't break it. The whole point of an unboxing video is to show them the actual unboxing, isn't it?
Look at his foot.
Foot. Okay, alright, I got it.
Sunday, if you're watching this, leave a like because we like foots too.
No, I'm gonna get copyright from Gumball.
Yeah.
Gosh, that thing is big.
And terrifying. Here is the toy. Oh, we need to get the mask out. It comes with a mask too, so you can take it off on. This thing is sick. Like, this is the last one, but they might get some more, so keep an eye out for that.
Yeah.
This
I think
is
it was the last one. There was two left at one.
Yeah,
This is our house, right?
Yeah, this is our. Yeah. Just in case
the rooms change pretty quick in the videos.
Yeah.
No, no lie.
This thing is sick. Oh, by the way, he has a little lid here.
Stupid.
Why does he have the towel behind his butt?
Impossible to open.
He has a towel behind his butt.
Ow. Use my muscles that
Oh,
I
he
don't
does
have.
have that little vest.
Yeah, I know. Just they didn't paint it. Use those muscles that you don't have. Oh my gosh, Emery. Oh, tape. It's tape. Rip off the tape. Okay. We got it, guys. So as you can see, ow, Emery. You scared me. Oh gosh, we could have just.
By the way, I just got Uncle Beckett. He lives inside because he's a little bit sick. Okay, that foot looks nasty.
Don't comment down below going, this kid is COVID-19. I do not. I said don't comment down below going, this kid is COVID-19.
Yeah, just a little cold.
I think I have a little fever. Stop, you're gonna get us. Okay, there you go. That's actually super cool.
Oh, wait, how do
Wait.
There's the
A
mask.
little Predator mask right there.
Where the heck do you put this thing on?
So let's show him how you put it on.
Oh, it snapped. It snapped right. It snaps right on.
There's like, as you can see, there's no like little things you have to like push it in. Nothing on the head.
Yeah, just
So
snapping.
you just like push it on and it just
Snaps.
clicks in. And then he has like his mask. So
Yeah.
like this, it's kind of like a normal pose, just like standing. The feet can turn like.
Oh, there's
all the way
an
around.
invisible one, by the way.
The other feet can turn like all the way around like that.
I'm gonna go get a gator.
The feet look weird. And then they also have the Predator claws. That looks super cool. They're rubber, but like, yeah, they aren't super sharp, so you won't hurt anyone with that. So, you know Predator has like that little light? My gosh, that's really shining at the camera. He has like a little like beam that he can like target people with. There's another little thing you can do. Where does this? The little mouth opens. And it's like not in the video at all.
I was just getting some Gatorade.
And then you're gonna open the mouth like that. I haven't seen the movie, but he probably does that because it was on Fortnite as well. So,
Yeah.
with it, you can also do
We're 9, 6, 7, and
the
we can watch
articulation
Predator
thing.
Aliens.
So you can see his arms can move like that. This is like, it can go everywhere.
We should post this. And I actually just keep it on my videos.
You can like.
Oh my gosh, already 5 minutes.
What? Surprised by that? So he has little
yeah.
legs. They
Well, we
have
make
like
30
big
minute
stuff.
videos,
You can
so
go like all the way, so his legs move. It's not one of those toys that like the legs can only go like that. So this toy is big. It's like it's like as big as the top of my body, from like the top of my stomach all the way up to like my nose.
CT.
So the back,
CT.
from the back, these things are like rubber. They're super like hard. So they'll move. The hands can turn like that, and then legs.
Yeah, let me do some like that.
I can't
Feel
really-
those tentacles, they're so hard.
They actually are kind of hard, but they are rubber. You're not gonna like get cut with these things.
Yeah.
But you can like do stuff from the movie where like you take the predator and just like.
Look, guys. Look at the mouth.
Yes. Wait, hold on. You like something from the movie?
Let me change your britches. I'm coming to get your britches. I'm coming to get your britches.
Like,
Need to get a pose.
I know it's actually kind of hard to move these things. They could have loosened them.
I had no idea it was going to be this big. I thought it was going to be at least like that big. I thought it was at least.
Well, you saw in the packaging of Walmart. Oh, and
Well, out of the box, it's
you
giant.
didn't see it, but look, this button right there. It's his little laser beam thing where you can like track people. What he does is like we'll use the mask as like him thing. What he does, I'm pretty sure, is like he gets a light and then like points it at him. And, like, shoots
Put it
something.
on him, and I think that's they're trying. I think that's so like on the movie. You can see like there's this little red dot like on one of these sides, and
Well, how do you know this? Have you seen Predator?
it's on Fortnite, dude. Do you have a brain? There's like a little red dot, and he shoots.
It's actually pretty bright. Yeah, it's not something you want to point in your eyes. See, literally, look at the camera with this thing.
Yeah. No, don't want to make anyone blind.
But yeah, he has all like his armor here. He can like lay down.
There's an invisible thing of this.
Yeah, there's a mini version of this guy.
And it's. But
I
you
recommend you get the tall one. There's a bunch of articulation with it.
Yeah, the
head,
small one you can't see.
You can't like move it up and down. This one only moves like side to side. But
That's pretty fun.
this one's
What? Oh. I was like, what the heck are you doing?
So you can get this. Because this one you can like turn all the way.
Okay, turn the
around.
light on my right here.
Yeah, so you can use that thing. And also the mask comes on and off. Other Predator toys, he either has the mask on or the mask off. You can't like take it off, put it back on. The mouths don't move. You would have to.
I like watch.
If you don't like the way how far out they go, you can make them go.
I like
extra
old
far
videos.
easier.
If you're like a YouTuber, I like going back and like watching old videos. I like doing that.
So there's a little like thing here. You cut all this off. You can get kind of an environment background thing. As you can see, the box is massive. Like this thing is actually big. It's
The mask came off.
12 inches. The mask
Wait,
will
is this
snap on.
something?
Yeah, we got it.
The only new thing is that this map. It's the only thing that it's like in the box and then the Predator.
Yeah, you can just go disco mode with Predator.
Besides, this is a safe toy. You should go get it at Walmart. but it's
If you like Predator, if you're like 3 and you're watching this video, it might not be the best toy for you.
yeah. If you're at least like 5, 7, 6.
We know what this thing is because
I'm
we
7,
both
he's 6. Like we're fine with
Like
it. So we're
fully
not.
standing up, not messing with anything. This is the thing. All the stuff on.
Okay, one more time. You are a constant
You can use if you don't have like an alarm, you can use this as like an alarm, just like the way you can see like a spot like a helicopter.
Or you can just use your flashlight, but it won't be super
Yeah, it's super
high.
cool.
It's the birds.
You can do like a red like laser thing. It's gonna like.
You ready?
Okay. There is a little blade thing. But that's it. That was just a quick review thing because I just got this toy
Yeah.
today.
We like literally got it 10 minutes ago.
Yeah, literally.
Well, 11.
So we're gonna end this here, but goodbye.
Bye.